Hello friends, welcome to Foodtastic. Today we are going to make beetroot halwa. Now take 250 grams of beetroot. Grate it like this. Take a half portion and grind it in mixie. Heat a small fry pan. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Add chopped cashew nuts and almonds. Sort it. Now add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Once it is heated, add grated beetroot and grinded beetroot. Sort it around 6 to 8 minutes. Now add 250 milliliters of milk. Sort it until the milk shrinks. Now add 10 raisins. If you have milk over, then add it into this. Otherwise add milk 500 milliliters extra. Sort it until milk over melts. Now add 1 cup of sugar. If not adding milk over, then add 50 grams of sugar extra. Stir it continuously until it becomes little thicker. Now add cardamom powder, roasted cashew nuts and almonds. Finally add a teaspoon of ghee. Now the beetroot halwa is ready. Please try this at your home. Subscribe our channel for more updates.